In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate the distance between a starting point and a set of target points in ArcGIS. So for example, if you have some set of points like this, I have a house and I have some schools. If I want to calculate the distance between my house and each of these schools, how do I do that? Let me label this, right click and label feature. So I want to know each of these schools, what is the distance between them and this very point, which is my house. So wanting to take note, right click and open the attribute table. So we will need to take note of this FID. We need to take note of it because it's going in our result. We are going to use it to identify each of the results. So to do that, as you have loaded in your starting points and the target points, so come to ArcTool box, come to analysis tool, then come to proximity, then you will see point distance. Open it, then the input feature, that will be the starting point, in this case our house. So click here and put in the starting point or the your location. Then the nearest feature, that will be the point or distance you want to measure. So click here and choose the schools, then choose your location where you want to save it, and here choose your unit. So let's leave it at meters, then click on OK. So what we want to achieve is that it will generate a table that will tell us the distance between each of these points and the starting point, which is the house. So this is the result. If I right click and open, so now we are going to use this nearest FID. This near FID is the one you use to identify each of the one. So if I double click to arrange it serially, so you can see the distance between this point and each of these schools. You can see the distance. So this is how to calculate the distance between a point, a starting point, and target points around in ArcGIS. So if you open the schools again and open the attribute table, you can see FIDO. If you come to the table, you open the table FIDO. Let me click this, right click and open again. You can see FIDO, the near to FIDO, you can see the distance in meter. So this is how to calculate it. Thank you.